Hello and welcome to tribetopper.com.
You're watching this video on solving numerical problems and multiple choice questions based on mechanics. So here is a question. It says the graph shows the variation with time of the acceleration a of an object. So we have a graph here and it is clearly shown that along the x-axis we have t, time in seconds, and along the y-axis we have a, acceleration in meter per second square. And we can see the graph very clearly. The question is, which of the following options gives the change in velocity of the object in the time interval from 0 to 4 seconds? So the only thing you need to apply here is your knowledge about how to use the area under the graph, or how to use a graph of acceleration time to find out the velocity. So if we look, we can mark these points. This is, say, O. I'll just mark these points. O, that's A, and this is B. Then what is the area of the triangle OAB? Now the area of the triangle OAB, the formula we know is half times base times height. So that gives us half times base. It's 0 to 4 seconds. So 4 times height. That is also 0 to 4. So height is 4. This cancels out and I have 8 meter per second square. Don't get confused with 8 meter per second, sorry. Don't get confused with the negative sign here, thinking that because it's retardation, so the velocity, the acceleration is negative, but the change is not negative. The change is just the change, right? It's just a number. So we got it as 8 meter per second. That's the correct option is D. I hope you find this video helpful. Please
follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter at tribetopper.com.